Now, what is a monologue? A monologue is a story told from the first person as an I. And in olden days, like Shakespeare, you might actually look directly out at the audience and talk directly to the audience. These days, you could think about it more like a speech. It's more likely to be a speech that you give where the other characters don't actually talk or don't talk that much. The particular monologue I'm going to work on with Addie, the other character of Chrissy does actually say a few things. It's not written in the monologue, but we're to assume that she does say some stuff because Kiki actually refers to what she just said and kind of talks back a little bit. So that's what a monologue is. A monologue is kind of like it's your work, it's your homework, right? If you want to get a good grade on the spelling test on Friday, you got to study. If you want to get into a play or a commercial or a movie, more likely than not, eventually they're going to ask for a monologue. Now, let's talk about where you get monologues. There are lots of free monologues that you can find on the internet. Some are better than others. I have a particular series of monologues from a series of books that I use with my clients. I think he's got 6 or 7 books. He's got commercials, he's got scenes, he's got monologues. I really, really like them because I find they're appropriate. They're constructed very nicely so we can figure out a lot of stuff. And I find that my students like them as well. Monologues should be anywhere from, if you were a really, really young kid, say 4 years old, you could start off with a monologue that's really more like a commercial. It could be maybe 2 sentences, 3 sentences, so it could be like 30 seconds long. And then for the most part, monologues can grow from an audition perspective to about 3 minutes. I think the one I'm probably going to do with Addie, if we timed it, it might be more like 90 seconds, more like 2 minutes, which I think is about average for somebody who is in a mature elementary student to a middle schooler. Once you get into the more upper middle, high school, the expectation would be about a 3-minute monologue. Okay, so that's what a monologue is. It's how you present how well you're doing with acting. It's how you present to the world your personality. It's you showing your skills. It would be like me showing my dribble skills with the basketball, me showing my layup skills, but this is for acting.